Hi everyone, this is Andre from USA Containers, and today I'm going to help you open shipping container doors that are absolutely difficult to open and close with a little helper. This is a door handler opener that essentially is going to assist you in opening shipping containers that are very hard to open and close. For example, right now this container specifically has a dent right here. The bar is not super straight. You see how it has dents on the top. This is just like a regular used shipping container. And because of all of these problems that we have here, obviously the doors are now more difficult to open and close. Additionally, this container is not level at all. As you can see at the bottom, it has some wood right here, lifting the container off the floor, so the container is not touching the gravel. Obviously, when you get your container, make sure it's on the ground, all level, so you have the doors easy to open and close. Let me show you how to open the door. So essentially, this handle right here goes right in this place. And then you just lift up. You do a little bit on one side, a little bit on the other side, and let's try get one more time here. But at this time, it's pretty much done here, and that's how we open the container. And same thing on the other side. You see how it's kind of difficult. And it's so easy with this. Absolutely stunning, right? And the same process goes when you want to close the doors. Number one thing, you always want to close the left door, right? You close the left door completely full. Completely closed. You want to make sure everything is level here, and then you want to work on the left bar first. So you do a little bit on the left bar. Okay. Then we're gonna do a little bit on the other side. Very nice. Now it's pretty much in. You see, we close this bad boy here. Ow! We close this door. Then let's try. Now with the right side, we wanna work on this right bar first. So we're gonna a little bit there, and do a little bit here. And there you go, you close it. Now, most of the time, you're probably only going to use this right door because, maybe you have boxes and stuff and they don't have to open both doors. So it should be a lot quicker. But yeah, this is the bar. You can buy it right from our shop. Thanks for watching.